This is Caleb up in a big white oak tree, taking a big limb down over the power lines. Pretty big piece of wood right there that just came down. This is a great big tree. It's probably every bit of 120, 130 foot tall. Trunk about 4 foot across. Lowering it down into the neighbor's yard right now. He's probably about 75 foot up there right now. And I'll turn it back on and show you guys some more in a little bit. And that right there, my friends, is how it's done. There's another big limb coming out of that white oak.
The boys round here singing up a prayer to the man upstairs.
A few more of them, and we'll be pretty bare up at the top of this tree.
Well, the boys round here, they're keeping it country. Ain't a damn one know how to do the Dougie. No, I'm not in Kentucky, but these girls
you can see on this power pole right here, there's a red line right there. It goes all the way down to right there. And that's a ground which helps de-energize so there's no stray volts heading towards that rope. Keep us all safe. But I'll show you more later. Another big limb Caleb's about to cut out of this white oak tree. It's over by the power lines here. Been working above the power lines all morning. And down it goes. Another big one came out of this oak tree. Here's the progress we've made on this big white oak in a couple hours. Everything's leaning over. Power's been energized. Probably got another 3-4 hours up there at least. See what Caleb's up to. Looks like he's pretty tired. This big white oak tree over on Lynn Grove. Big dead piece of wood here. Might see a lot of flying debris. No, didn't really get nothing out of it. See what Caleb's up to.
Don't take no shit. Shoot her back, shoot her back, shoot her back a spit.